Hey everyone, welcome guys. Welcome. Hey Solomon, welcome. Hey guys, let's go over the market. We have a lot of information to go over. Markets open up again today, Tuesday. We do have, which is good news. We have a buy signal on the Nasdaq on the weekly time frame. All right, so that's good news right here. If you guys can see that, so on the weekly time frame on the Nasdaq, we do have a buy signal again on the weekly time frame, guys. So that's really good. That came in right here today on the Nasdaq. All right. So all we need is for the Dow to follow, and the S&P, and then hopefully the Russell. But that's good news, right? Buy signal here on the Nasdaq on the weekly time frame. The last time we got a buy signal on the Nasdaq on the weekly time frame was what's that? June. All right, June of 2000. I'm sorry, May of 2020. All right, 2020. So that was the last buy signal, and look what the market did. Really made a move higher. So hopefully, this buy signal will work out, and we can look to test the highs up in this area. All right. Dow is still holding, right? Hasn't broken out yet. We don't have a buy signal on the weekly time frame, but still holding. We do have a buy signal on the daily time frame. And look here, we also have a buy signal on the S&P. All right. So on the S&P, we got a buy signal today. So we'll go ahead and remove this resistance line here. So we got a buy signal today, also on the S&P. So that is, guys, that's a very, very encouraging news for the equity market. So buy signal, right? Buy signal on the Nasdaq right here on the weekly time frame. All right. And remember, when we get a buy signal, that means we are breaking a major resistance. All right. All right. Hey, Betty. Welcome, Betty. All right. So again, new buy signal today on the Nasdaq and on the S&P. So that's great news. All right. Also, the last buy signal on the S&P came in around the same time too. All right. So this one came in August, right? August of 2020. All right. Previous buy signal. So that's very encouraging for the equity markets. And we'll go through stocks this evening. We'll go through some opportunities. Here is, let's see, right here. This is the buy signal right here. On the daily now. So this is the Nasdaq on the daily, moving up nicely. So pay attention to your technology stocks. And we've been talking about this. All right, so it should not be a surprise. And also, right here is your S&P. So we do have a buy signal on the daily time frame on the S&P, and here it is moving higher. All right, so that's great news, guys. Great news. All right, buy signal on the S&P on the weekly time frame and on the Nasdaq. All right, so that's great news. All right. All right. We've got a lot to go over, so let's get right to it. Let's take a look at the trades. Some of the dollar trades closed today. All right. So I want us to go through that. The dollar index is still holding, right? It's holding right here, holding good. Retraced a bit today, but still holding. No white candles, no red candles. But some of the pairs did close today. So let's go over that. All right, so we'll take a look at Monster as an example right here. But let's take a look at Monster. All right, Monster scalper, long positions. Okay. Right. All right. USD CZK, that's still holding. Keep an eye on it though, guys. All right. USD CZK, that's one of the dollar pairs Buy signal. Buy signal is right here. All right. We got purpose support and resistance. It's holding support right here. Keep an eye on it. All right. If you get a white candle, I wouldn't get out, but definitely if you get a red candle, you should get out of this trade or sell signal by the system. All right. So buy signal is right here, holding nicely. Good long trade going there. USD CHF. All right. Buy signal was right here. We got a red candle, right? Sell signal by the system. We should be out, but keep an eye on it. All right. We got green candles developing again. All right. If we can get a buy signal, if it breaks resistance, we could get a buy signal to get back in. All right. That's USD CHF. USD PLN, that's still holding its buy signal right here. USD DKK. All right. Buy signal is right here. And we've got white candles right now. Hey, Joe. Welcome, Joe. So just keep an eye on it. All right. But good trade here going. All right. Good trade here going with USD DKK. All right. USD SGD, that's sold. That give a sell signal. All right. By the system. So if anyone is in it, if you guys are trading USD SGD, you need to be out of that trade. All right. Buy signal was right here. We got a sell signal, white arrow here by the system. So we should be out. Broke support. So we should be out of that trade. All right. All right. That's USD SGD. All right. USD SEK, that's holding really well, guys. Buy signal was right here. It's all the way up here. All green candles, nothing to do. So if you're in it, just continue to hold that trade. USD CNH, same thing. Buy signal is right here. Nicely in the markup phase. No red candles. All right. No purpose support and resistance. Okay. So that's trading really, really well. So not all the pairs, the dollar pairs are giving sell signals, but some of them are. All right. USDN, okay, that's holding nicely also. So buy signal is here. All green candles, nothing to do. So if you're in these pairs that are holding, dollar pairs that are holding well, all right, continue to hold them. The ones that have given sell signals or red candles, get out of those trades. Okay. USD JPY, the yen pairs, buy signal is here. That's holding nicely here. Okay. CAD yen. All right. CAD yen, buy signal is here. Holding support right here. Red candles. Keep an eye on CAD yen. Euro yen, same thing. Buy signal is here. Holding support. All right. That's euro yen. Swiss yen. Swiss yen, red candle here. So we should be out of this trade. All right. So remember, we sell, get out on red candles. All right. Or sell signals by the system. Okay. Joe, you can't hear me. All right. Can you guys hear me okay? Just let me know. Let me know if everyone else can hear me. All right. So just let me know if you guys can hear me okay. All right. Let me know. All right. So Swiss yen, red candles here. All right. So we need to get out of that trade. Get out of that trade. Swiss yen. All right. Can you guys hear me okay? Who do we have? Let's see here. Okay, so Betty, you can hear okay. All right. So Joe, you might want to check your mind. Let me put a comment here for Joe. Okay, it's working. It's not working. Okay. All right. Good, Joe. Good. Okay. So Swiss yen, just guys, if you're in it, close that trade. All right. Close that trade. That's all the long trades there. All right. So far, still holding the majority of the dollar pairs and the yen pairs. So no major rotation out of those pairs yet. Okay, let's take a look at the shorts in Monster Scalper. Short trades in Monster Scalper. All right, Euro EURSGD, that's still holding it short. Euro Swiss, all right, that closed the short. All right, so sell short signal was here. Green candles came in, buyers came in. So give a sell signal to get out. So we should be out of that trade. So Euro Swiss, let's remove that. Okay. EUR HKD. All right. Look at this. Great short going here, guys. All right. Nothing to do. We do have white candles. We need red candles, sellers to come back in, but nothing to do here. Great short here going. All right. Pound HKD. All right. We need to close this trade. Sell short signal is here. Green candles came in. Sell signal by the system. So we need to close that trade. Pound HKD. All right. Same thing for pound dollar. All right. So those pound shorts are retracing, right? Closing. So pound dollar, close that trade also. Sell short signal is here, right? Buyers came in, sell signal here. Not a bad trade here. Short trade. All right. Aussie Swiss, that's still holding its short trade there. All right. So let's take a look at while we're here, we can, well, let's take a look at Forex dominator long positions. Forex dominator long positions. All right. Dollar pairs in Forex dominator. USD CNH, that's holding nicely here. Long position. USD CZK, that's holding. USD DKK, that's holding. These are new trades going here. USD SEK, really doing well, right? In Forex dominator, all right, on the daily time frame. USD SGD, that's holding. And dollar ZAR. Dollar ZAR is doing really well. All right. Yen pairs, Aussie, Aussie yen. Keep an eye on Aussie yen, guys. Right. A lot of consolidation in here, all through here, and in here. All right. It's retracing a bit. White candles. So keep an eye on that one. CAD yen. CAD yen is doing well. All right. Swiss yen. Really good trade here going with Swiss yen. Euro yen. Right, euro yen holding well. Pound yen, look at pound yen, guys. Really good trade here going with pound yen. All right, HKD, JPY, that's your Hong Kong yen pair, right? Holding. New Zealand yen, all right, keep an eye on New Zealand yen. Very rocky trading, all right? I don't know if we should have gotten into this trade. We've been hoping that buyers would come back in. So not yet. Keep an eye on it. Red candle, get out of it. If you want to get out of it here, you certainly could. All right. I wouldn't blame you guys. SGD, JPY. All right. Buy signal is here. That's moving up nicely. So dollar pairs are holding, right? Yen pairs are holding. Euro ZAR trading really well. All right. So dollar ZAR, Euro ZAR. Here's the dollar ZAR here. Right, really trading well in Forex dominator. Euros are trading well in Forex dominator. Okay, the pound yen, pound ZAR is trading well too, but we missed that entry there. Okay, but Euros are, dollars are doing well. Pound SGD is looking to break out. All right, so nice trade here going and is looking to break resistance. Okay, if you guys are trading Forex dominator, stay with those trades. Okay, you know we are trading on a longer time frame, so you've got to be patient and just let those trades run. All right. All right. If you guys have any symbols to take a look, want me to take a look at, just let me know. All right. As we go through these. Okay. Short positions. All right. Short positions in Forex dominator. Short positions in Forex dominator. All right. Aussie CAD still holding its short trade. We got support down in this area here. So we could get to support. All right. That looks really, really good. Broke support right here. All right. Redistribution phase, markdown phase. All right. So doing well. Aussie CAD. USD MXN still continuing to hold that short trade. Euro pound. Right. That's holding. Euro Swiss, right? That's holding its short trade here. All red candles, nothing to do. Sellers are in control there. Euro dollar, right? Same thing here. And New Zealand dollar, same thing. Okay, they're holding there. So those are all the trades in Monster Scalper and Forex Dominator. We'll look for new opportunities this week. Okay, let's take a look at equities. So we'll take a look at current positions in equities, and we'll look to see if we have some new current trades, right, in Stock Boss, and then we'll look to see if we have any new opportunities. So these are Stock Boss trades in Stock Boss here. All right. All right. So IOVA, that's holding nicely here. And we'll go through this quickly. BTBT, all right. So if you guys are in these trades here that are holding, just continue to hold those trades. BTBT, that's holding well, trading nicely. Nice move up here today. All right, so nice move up here today. Okay, this trade buy signal we got in at $1.69. It's at 323 currently and still moving. MVIS, right? Another good one. Buy signal was here, moving up nicely. And as these markets are shaping up, these stocks could continue to move higher. RIOT holding well. All right. VXTR, that's holding well in Stock Boss. CLSK, that's holding well in Stock Boss. OMER, that's holding. All right. OPEN, that's holding. All right. GCT, holding. TWKS, that's holding well. OPRT, that's holding. All right. AVDX, that's holding. Look here, guys. Look on over here. All right. All green candles right here. Nothing to do. Nicely in the markup phase. All right. ORGO, look at that. Buy signal was here, guys, all the way up here. All right. ORGO. All right. ASRT. All right. Keep an eye on this one. We've got white candles coming in there. So keep an eye on it. Same thing with SLGC. All right. ADEA. That's holding nicely. All right. What's that? SPRO. White candles. Keep an eye on it, guys. All right. PGY. That's holding nicely. SPPI, that's holding nicely, all green candles. Okay. EVLV, that's holding. Really nice trade going here. All right. That's almost 100%. Buy signal came in at 330. It's at 561 right now. So good trade there going. All right. ZIMV, that's holding all green candles. All right. PMVP, that's holding. We got some white candles. Keep an eye on it. TLS, nice breakout. All right. ALTO, really good trade going here, holding. All right. XFOR, really good trade going, guys. Buy signal was all the way down here at what's that? $1.05. It's at $1, closed at $1.93 today. Okay, so almost 100% there. HLLY holding. ROIV, that's holding. MOMO, white candles. Keep an eye on this one. Okay. Okay, Joe EURMXN. Okay, I'll take a look at it. What are you looking to do? Long or short? Let me know. Let me know if you're looking to go long or short with that one. Okay. Just type it in. RGTI. Nice trade there going. You're looking to go long. Okay. All right. As soon as I'm done here, we'll go over that for you. All right. RGTI. Holding well. What's that? VMEO. All right, that's holding. MVLA, that's holding. It's great to see these stocks holding, guys. And like I said, we got a buy signal on the big macro, right? So on the weekly time frame, on the S&P, and on the Nasdaq, we've got buy signals. So markets are improving, but the markets move higher, we could see these stocks really take off. All right. EDIT, white candles, keep an eye on it. All right. Anytime you've got white candles, keep an eye on those trades. Okay. I like ALEC. All right. White candle there, keep an eye on it. LILM. All right. Green candles, nothing to do. GLYC, nothing to do there. All green candles. LIFE, keep an eye on it, guys. We got a white candle there. YMAB, green candles, nothing to do in the markup phase. ANGI, nothing to do there. All right. TBLA, white candle, definitely keep an eye on that one. Okay. Keep an eye on, get a red candle. If you're in it, get a red candle, get out. All right. Or sell signal. SANA, white candle. So we do have some of these that are retracing a bit. All right. So keep an eye on SANA, white candle. CLOV, that's a red candle. So get out of that one. If you're in it, CLOV, close it. White candle came in today. Sellers came in today here. All right. So you guys see right here, red candle. So get out. What we don't want is to stay in these trades when these red candles come in. You know, these red candles represent sellers. All right, sellers. So we don't want this to happen. So that first red candle we see, we want to get out. So we get out or either on a red candle or a sell signal by the system, which is this white arrow here. So we're going to get out of this one. So if you're in it, please close that trade. AKBA, white candle here. Keep an eye on it. Buy signal was right here. Really came back down. Okay. So we would like to see buyers come back in tomorrow or this week and move higher. All right. But if you get a red candle or sell signal, get out of that trade. Okay. So those are the trades in Stock Boss. Let's take a quick look at Monster Scalper. Let's take a quick look at that for you, Joe. So long, we're looking at Euro, Mexican peso, EUR, MXN. Do we have that pair? EUR, MX. Yeah. No, we don't have that pair, Joe. Where you putting that pair up? Are you putting that pair up in? Let me ask you here. Hey, Joe.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, I get it from TD Ameritrade.
Okay. It's not. It shouldn't be in your Monster Scalper.
Yeah. No, I didn't see it.
Yeah. So we don't have any data for that.
Okay. Thank you.
I wouldn't trade it if we don't have data for it. I wouldn't trade it. Okay. And right now, if we look here, as far as going long the euro pairs, we have how many pairs here? We have Eurozar that's long. Let's see here. That's TRY. Euro SEK. Let me see here. We have the dollar Mexican peso. So that's what it's doing there. Which other Mexican peso do we have? But I would stay, if you don't have the data in Monster Scalper, I would just stay away from it. Okay, bud?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. All right, let's go back here. And Bull Master. Okay. And we'll look for new opportunities this evening too. In both Forex and equities. All right. So in Bull Master, UPST, that's holding nicely, guys. Buy signal was here at 1973. It's at $29, so good trade going there. KD, NY, all right. Buyers are coming back in on that trade, so nothing to do there. ZS, all right, that's holding, moving up nicely. Gapped up today, it looks like. OK, TA, that's holding nicely. All right, right here. HCP holding. BSY, that's moving up nicely. Right, all green candles. XMRT, right, holding. Right, that could break out soon. We look at buyers are looking. It's holding. It's holding. Some buying today. Okay. That was up what 0.8%. All right, HAS, that's holding. DDOG, that's holding, looking to break resistance there. LZ, that's holding nicely. SWTX, keep an eye on it. Got some white candles there, guys, so keep an eye on it. ADBE, all right, nice breakout on Adobe. All right, nice breakout on Adobe here. We talked about this trade last week. All right, so I know it's expensive, but you could do options on those. And with Adobe, that's tech, right? And we know tech is moving. Okay. FSLR, that's holding support. White candles, keep an eye on it. TSVT, that's holding there. SKYW, that's moving higher there nicely. All right, moving up really good there. I'm in the markup phase. All right. Betty, AL, is that AL or AI? All right, let's see here. AL or AI. Let's try AI. Right, AI. All right. Betty, are you? Let me know if you're in this. All right, or what you're planning to do. If you're in it, all right. We got a buy signal came in today, right at 37. Okay, AI. Okay. So a buy signal came in at 37 and it closed at 47. Let's see here. Not a bad markdown phase. All right. Are you in it? Are you in it, Betty? Or are you planning to get in? If you're in it, good job. Okay. If you're planning to take some calls, ideally, what time? Ideally, today would have been fine. Okay, but tomorrow you could, you could still get in. I mean, it gapped up today. I mean, it's moved a bit, but it can certainly move higher. You might get a bit of a pullback, but you can certainly get in tomorrow. Okay. Let's see here. So it's a good trade going here. It's a good trade. Let's take a look at the potential of it, though. Weekly time frame. Oh, look at this. Right on your weekly time frame, it fell from 181, 182. Look at it here. Nice markdown phase on the weekly time frame. Buy signal on the weekly came in at 23, and here it is breaking out. Okay, so yeah, just make sure nothing really on the monthly. Just make sure that you give it room. All right. So you might want to push out your calls.
Fuck you now. Fuck you.
Push out your calls a bit. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's move this back to the daily time frame. All right. All right. So EYE. All right. That's holding nicely here. EYE. You're welcome. Welcome, Betty. Okay. That's holding nicely there. MKSI, that's moving up nicely. All right, nothing to do. PCVX, that's holding. IAC, keep an eye on it, guys. That's white candles there. Keep an eye on it. FNKO, all right, that's holding. VT, that's holding nicely there. CRSP, that's holding. ZIMV, holding all green candles. SWAV, keep just holding. If you're holding it, right? If you're trading it, keep an eye on it. All right, white candle there. Okay. UPBD, that's holding there. NEO, white candles, keep an eye on it. All right. AKRO, keep an eye, white candles there. BPMC, green candles. All right. Keep an eye on it there. It's holding. It's holding. So you do have purpose, support, and resistance. So that's always a bit of a concern there. But no white candles, no red candles. All right. PTGX, that's holding there. WDAY, all right, that's holding, all right, nothing to do there. RILY, holding, all right, ACAD, that's holding nicely in the markup phase. LNTH, guys, look here, red candle came in here, all right, so red candle, we need to get out. So if anyone is in this trade, close it, okay? LNTH, we want to close that trade, all right? I don't want it to get out of hand, so close that trade. XP, that's holding nicely here. RCKT, that's holding. TGTX, all right, this one here, guys, buy signal was here. Red candles came in, sell signal by the system, so we need to get out of that trade. TGTX, so need to close that, all right. And ZNTL, right? ZNTL, that's holding right here. All right. All right. So just a few trades to clean up, right, in Stock Boss and Bull Master. But overall, stocks are holding well. All right. All right. Let's take a look at opportunities. So new opportunities to go long in Forex. Keep in mind, right? We have lots of opportunities. We still have opportunities. You know, we could get a rotation out of the dollar pairs, right? The yen pair still looks solid, but we could get a rotation out of the dollar pairs. You just keep an eye on that. But look here, most of the pairs here in Forex, in Monster Scalper, are all yellow above 20. So things are still holding solid, good volatility. Okay, so let's look for long positions, long positions. All right. All right, so nothing in the Aussie pairs. We know nothing in the New Zealand pairs to go long. Let's see if we can find some new opportunities in the yen pairs. I doubt it. I think we're in every single, most of the pairs, the yen pairs. Keep an eye here on Swiss yen. It's going back and forth right now. The buy signal was here, but right now it's going back and forth with a red candle, a white candle. Wait for that candle to close. It's on a forward time frame. So I would wait for it to close, see what it closes. If it closes white, stay in. If it closes red, all right, you might want to get out of that trade. All right, that's Swiss yen. CAD yen, okay, that's holding there. So no new opportunities to buy in the yen pairs. All right, dollar, okay, dollar pairs. You know, we got a buy signal today on that dollar TRY. That TRY has not been trading well, but you know, when it, you know, recently it hasn't been trading well, but when it moves, it does really move. Boy, that's really tempting right here, this trade. But let's wait to see how perhaps on the next candle, right? Let's see how it develops here, right? This first candle here, look at this here, right? It went all the way up, big move there, and then retraced all the way back, and it's sitting here. Just not, you know, we'll keep an eye on it. All right, we'll send it out if it improves. All right. Let's see here. Looking for new buy signals in the dollar pairs. go long. All right, so nothing in the dollar pairs to go long. Keep an eye on dollar CAD. All right, it did sell, give a sell signal on the previous buy, and building green candles here. We could get another buy signal, another opportunity there. Here is another TRY. So something is going on with these TRY pairs, these Turkish pairs. But you guys see here, very rough trading here. So we'll keep an eye. We'll keep an eye on TRY. We might get in late, all right? But nothing here. Nothing here. We're looking for new buy signals. All right. I think the pound pairs, pounds are. All right, we'll call this one here. It's still fairly close, right, near the buy signal. Here's the buy signal right here. It's trading right here. So pound ZAR, right? So pound ZAR, GBP, ZAR. That's long in monster scalper. All right. Pound dollar, wait on that. No buy signal yet. Pound SGD. All right. We'll also call this trade here. So buy signal is here. It's retraced a bit. We needed to get past this consolidation right here and break through. All right. It's retraced, but we got green candles coming back in. So we could get buyers to continue to move that up. So pound pairs looks like they're trying to make a move. All right. So pound SGD, long in monster scalper. Okay. All right. Another one, pound PLN. So definitely the pound pairs, guys. Pound GBP PLN. All right. Long in monster scalper. Okay. Buy signal right here. All green candles. We need to get past this area here. We had a couple of buy signals. 3 buy signals failed. All right. So this one failed. This one failed. This one failed. So keep an eye on it. I wouldn't go heavy. Okay. I wouldn't go heavy. You can take a small trade. All right. And hopefully if it breaks out, you can scale up. Okay. So just know that this area right here is a concern. All right. Sellers are sitting here, but a decent markdown phase. Okay. So we'll add this. US pound PLN. All right, pound NZD, that's already moving higher. All right, so buy signal is here. Okay, that's moving higher. We're not in that one. Wait for pound HKD. Okay, pound Swiss, we'll add this one also. Okay, so pound pairs are moving, guys. Pound Swiss. Okay, so we do have a rotation in the pound pairs. Okay, so pound Swiss, right? Buy signal is right here. We do have to get past this consolidation in here. Okay, right in here. But another big concern. The other pairs are moving. Pound CAD, all right. Buy signal is here, right? We do have a purple support and resistance, but we could get past that. Fairly decent, right? Fairly good markdown phase here. Nice accumulation. All right. This previous buy signal failed, but hopefully this is the one. All right. And the other pairs are moving, so that should help. So pound CAD, we'll add that. And we'll send those out to our monster scalper traders. Okay. And then pound Aussie. All right. Pound Aussie. This one is moving up. Buy signal is right here, and that's moving up already. Okay, so we've got how many? 5 pound trades going there. Okay, all right, shorts. Let's take a look at shorts. Short opportunities in monster scalper. All right, new opportunities, new short opportunities. Nothing there so far. New short opportunities, new short signals, sell short signals. All right, so no shorts. Okay, let's take a look at Forex dominator. Forex dominator, short positions, new short positions. Right here. All right, we'll add Aussie dollar. All right, so Aussie dollar short. We're already trading Aussie CAD, so Aussie dollar short in Forex dominator. All right. Aussie Swiss, no sell short signal yet, but that should come. New Zealand dollar, we're in that one. All right, New Zealand CAD. Let's add New Zealand CAD. All right. So Aussie CAD and then New Zealand CAD. I'm sorry, Aussie dollar and New Zealand CAD. Aussie dollar and New Zealand CAD. Short in Forex dominator. All right, let's keep going. We're in this one. New short opportunities. EUR HKD. All right, we're not in that one, so we'll add that. EUR HKD short. That's in Forex dominator. All right, here's your sell short signal here. All right, red candles. That's looking good there. Euro pound, we're in this one. We're in this one. Euro CAD. Let's add Euro CAD. Sell short signal is here. We just needed to break, right? Euro CAD. Let's make sure we're not in it. Euro CAD. So let's add that. Euro CAD. Short in Forex dominator. So we have some opportunities there. All right, that's it for Forex. Let's go through equity, stock boss, and Bullmaster, and then we'll be done. All right, let's run a new scan. So we've got 33. All right, 33 stocks. And we'll look at all the stocks, not just the sector. All right, so looking for new buy signals on the day. New buy signals that came in today. All right, let's take a look here. All right, so we got a new one here. 8 EGTH right here, guys. All right, buy signal came in right here. All right, good buy signal, good markdown phase, an even better markdown phase here. All right, good risk reward. All right, so it fell from $28 close today at 4 All right, so that is EGHT, and that's in Stock Boss. All right, that looks good. All right. All right, let's keep going here. All right, let's take a look here. All right, we're gonna add this one here. ADV in Stock Boss. All right. Buy signal is right here, guys. Looking to break out. Price is at $2, fell from about $12. Okay, so not bad risk reward there. Okay, ADV. Okay. We're in this one. We're in this one. All right, that's all for Stock Boss. Let's take a look at Bull Master. So we've got 2 in Stock Boss this evening. Bull Master, we have 54. All right. So new buy signals, guys, on the day. Our Stock Boss traders, just run your heat seeker once a day. At least once a day. Especially with the markets improving here. Okay. All of these are already moving higher. Let's see here. EBIX. Let's open this up. Choppy, guys. Very choppy. Good buy signal here, but very, very choppy. Not a very good markdown phase. Okay, so we'll leave this alone. That's gone. All right, here is a new buy signal today. Let's take a look at it. All right, not bad. All right, we would have preferred for the markdown phase to come down lower here, but that's not bad, right? A decent markdown phase here, right? We do have a high buy signal here, but not bad. Okay, so we'll add it in Bull Master, and so that's AMKR, and we don't. I know we don't have that. AMKR. We have AKRO, but we don't have this one. So we'll add it. AMKR. All right. Buy signal right here. And that's in Bull Master. All right. All right. Another one here. Buy signal came in today. All right. Descent markdown phase. All right. LITE. LITE. We'll add that. Buy signal came in right here. Made a high of what's that? 108. A buy signal came in at 54. Good for calls. Good for call options. Okay. So LITE. All right. Bull Master. Almost done, guys. Almost done here. Get you guys out. Get you guys out on time this evening. Another buy signal here came in today. So we got some buy signals. Not a very good chart here. Not a very good chart. We'll let that one go. That's gone. Not a very good chart. We'll let that go. Sometimes this is like fishing, right? You got to throw them back. Throw them back. All right. That's gone. OKTA. That looks good. Let's make sure we're not in it. All right, we're in it. OKTA. So we're in this one already, guys. So if you're looking for a trade, this is not a bad one here. All right, buy signal is here and it's looking to move higher there. All right, we did talk about this one earlier. So if you're looking for a trade, this might be good. All right. That's gone. These are gone. These are moving, guys. They're moving. They're buying these stocks. Look at this. One after the other. They're just moving higher. All right. Here is a new one here for the day. Let's make sure. Very choppy, guys. Very, very choppy. We'll leave this one off. We'll throw it back in. That's Adobe. We're already in that one. These are gone. All these are gone, guys. They're moving. XMTR, we're already in that one. TS, we're already in that one. So that's it. All right. Take a quick look at US 30. Monster US 30, we'll call this short. So for our Monster US 30 traders, all right, we do have a short here. It's pulled back, but we've got red candles here coming back in. We do have red candles here on the daily, right, on the daily time frame here. Now we've got things moving higher, markets are moving higher, but we could still get a quick short trade, okay, on in Monster US 30. So we'll call this, so our Monster US 30 traders will send this out as an alert. If green candles come in, you have to get out, close that trade, okay? But we could get a quick short trade right here. The previous short trade did really well. Here's the previous short trade. All right, here's the previous long trade. So, you know, we'll call this, but keep a close eye on it, okay? Let's see here. Futures, Monster Futures. I want to take a quick look at that, and then we'll be done. Nothing in cryptos. You guys know that it's consolidating. We don't have a buy signal, so nothing there. I want to take a quick look at Monster Futures right here. So the S&P, I think we're in the S&P E-mini long already. Let's go here. So with the S&P giving a buy signal on the weekly time frame, that should help. Where is our trade? Right here. So that's the live cattle trade. Look at the live cattle trade, guys. That's continuing to move nicely higher, okay, in the futures market. And then that's the S&P right here, S&P E-mini, that's holding right here. So we could get a move higher there. All right, so that's all I've got. Keep an eye on those dollar pairs. If you guys are trading these dollar pairs, all right, just keep an eye on them. All right, they're slowing down a bit there, but everything else looks good. All right, guys, I will see you tomorrow for our next class. Okay. See you guys tomorrow. Let's take a quick look at futures, see what futures are doing right here. So it's mixed. All right, dollars down a bit here, not by much, but it's down, and the indexes are mixed right now. Okay, so all right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Have a good evening. Thanks for coming. All right, take care, guys. Bye bye.